Hi, hope you're starting this day off wonderful. Thanks for watching my video. This is Natalie from Frequency and Food Wellness, and today I am showing you a fluorite pendulum. Here on the bottom, we have a purple. It's like a light lavendery purple. Oh, and you're getting to see a little bit of reflection today. How pretty. But this is a glass prism on the bottom. And then here we have fluorite chips in between some beads of green Aventurine. So we have purple and very light green to clear chips of fluorite. Just a little bit of green Aventurine added into the mix. And on this 12-inch pendulum, these stones are associated with mental enhancement and clarity, improved decision making, and clearing the energy fields. I love that we're getting to see a little bit of the prism refraction. It's really pretty. All right, so let's put this pendulum to work. 45-degree swing. Show us a yes. Nice. All right, stop. 45-degree swing. Show us a no. Ooh, she's fast tonight. Nice circle swing. There you have it. This is a very quick pendulum tonight. So if fluorite, purple and greens are calling your name, bring this pendulum home. You'll find her at myfrequency.shop. Bye.